We started with 10. With half gone, the 5 remaining tributes are desperate to stick around. But what will the game makers throw at them next? Will it require speed, strength, ferocity, or brains? That's right, a Googloff, an ancient German torture technique where students are forced to look up random facts of trivia as quickly as they can, using computers. The tributes rush to prepare themselves for the onslaught of information as the first question appears projected on the board. How many seconds are there in a year? Google will tell you. The tributes rush to answer, but our career from District 1, Giovanni, is the first to score himself 1 point. Next question. How long was the longest python ever recorded? Jenny doesn't seem so stressed out. Why not? Oh, right. Remember that envelope from the cornucopia that seemed to have random useless facts on it? They're all answers to trivia questions from today's competition. Should be a breeze for the wee one today as her luck continues to pile up. It's almost like she knew what the game makers were planning to do from the very beginning. Perhaps we've underestimated the short stack. Anyways, next question. How many people live in China? Our tribute from District 4, Amari, nails that one. And the next one as well. Where's Abraham Lincoln buried? Takes her about 10 seconds to find out. Oak Ridge Cemetery in Springfield, Illinois. That's 2 points in a row for her. Next question. What's the lowest temperature ever recorded in Denver? Tiny gets it almost immediately. Almost like she has a sheet with answers on it. Oh, and the next question. What year's Halley's Comet going to be visible from Earth next? Another one immediately answered. By La Chiquita in 2062. That's her third right answer. She's safe and out of the competition. 4 remain. Who will fall? The projector flashes. Who was the very first mayor of Denver? And our career from District 1, Giovanni, is on it right away. John C. Moore. Next question. List all the continents on Earth. Let's see how this one turns out. Let's see. South America, North America, Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. That is correct. Making Giovanni our second safe tribute. I know the kid looks about as tough as a chihuahua in this picture, but he actually seems to have what it takes. At least, have what it takes to get into the top 4. He's safe. Moving on. With only 2 questions left, we have Amari from District 4 at 2 points, Amirani, our career from District 1 at 0, and Quindell from District 5 also at 0. It's getting close. It's anybody's game. Second last question. What's our nation's first 3 presidents? Tough one. But Amirani finally gets on the board. George Washington, John Adams, Thomas Jefferson. Correct. She now has 1 point to Quindell's 0. And Amari is safe with 2. With the final question coming up, Quindell must get it right in order to force an overtime question. If he doesn't, and Amirani's the first to answer, she will be the final safe tribute. The final question flashes on the board, and the tributes race to find an answer. How many pennies are in $57,435,207? Doesn't seem so difficult, but for some reason, they both struggle. It takes over 10 minutes until someone finally holds up an answer. When the dust settles, the girl from District 1 does what she does best. Answer math problems. She is our final, safe tribute in the Googloff. He ran from lava, befriended mutations, escaped poison gas. But the hopes and dreams of District 5 now go with its final tribute. 4 left, the cream of the crop, the best of the best. With both tributes from District 1 still around, can anyone stop them? Powerhouse from 4, Tiny from 3. Tune in, find out for yourself. Ba 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 da 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 ba ba da 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 ba da ba da ba ba.